Welcome back to part 2 of my mermaid cookie set. Today we'll be showing you how I decorated the starfish cookie. I started by outlining and flooding with my flood consistency icing. After letting the cookie completely dry, I airbrushed around the edges to give it a defined look. This is an optional step or can be accomplished by dry dusting with the powdered food coloring as well. Next, I add the dots, starting in the center and having them gradually get smaller as I work toward the outer edge of the cookie. I made sure to use a hybrid consistency icing so that the dots would not form craters, but they would still settle smooth on top. For more information on the consistencies that I use, check out my How to Make Royal Icing video. Thank you for watching. Keep an eye out for part 3.